What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. We're gonna be talking about what's in my toolbox for 2020. So guys, before we get started, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can be notified anytime they make more videos like this. So I picked this toolbox up about 2 weeks ago from Harbor Freight. This is a US General. Got this on sale for $149.99, just the box by itself. Really good deal, comes in a couple different colors. Have a lot of different upgrades and side attachments like this side table that you guys can put on here, glove holders, different type of tool holders, magnets, a bunch of different cool stuff that you guys can attach and really rig out your toolbox. Now Harbor Freight has two different models of this. You might have seen in the shop, Ben has the bigger one. This is the smaller tool cart. This is a 4-drawer versus Ben's is a 5-drawer and it's a little bit deeper. But this is very good for my needs in my small garage, my 2-car garage, and the basic work that I do in here when I'm not at the shop. Anyways, let's get into what exactly I have in my toolbox. So starting on top, I have two S&K socket sets. One is the 1/4-inch drive and one is the 3/8-inch drive. I've always had S&K tools ever since I was younger. My dad always had them. It was always go grab the green box, the small green box, the big green box. This stuff is known for lasting a very long time and taking a beating. These were both given to me as presents. It seems like every Christmas my dad gives me something S&K until I've been totally stocked out. Also up here I have a flashlight just in case you need to see in your car, see a bolt, you drop something. It's always nice just to have a flashlight. This one's an LED, this is a cheaper light. In the back here we have a couple pair of safety glasses. Getting rust in your eye whenever you're taking bolts off is probably one of the worst experiences you could possibly have in your life, and it's gonna send you to the ER. You're probably gonna have a scratched cornea. So safety glasses is a must. I have 2 pairs in here in case anybody else is helping me work on the cars. Tape measures. We have an assortment of tape measures. This is a Grizzly 16-footer. Again, this is just probably something I got at Harbor Freight too. Also have some scissors. Cutting zip ties, getting in the boxes. It's always nice just to have a pair of scissors and know where they're at. And it always seems like to me when I need a pair of scissors, I don't know where they're at. So having them in the top of the toolbox makes for a great spot to keep these. Next up, we have a set of triple squares. Now, if you guys own a Mark 7 GTI or a Volkswagen or anything Euro, you're gonna wanna have a set of triple squares. Next up, we just have a simple switchblade. Again, opening boxes, getting into stuff, cutting down cardboard. It's nice just to have a quick knife that you can grab and cut stuff if you need to. So going into the first drawer here, we have another much needed thing, Allen keys. Now these, I believe I got at Lowe's. These are Husky, metric and standard. Always need a good set of Allen keys when you're getting into your car. Next up, we have some needle nose pliers. Definitely a must. Definitely a must if you're working your car. They got the little cutters inside if you want to cut zip ties. Getting into really tight spots in the car, needle nose pliers definitely make it easier. A couple different size wrenches, channel locks, vice grips. These are nice if you need to get on something, hold it, and you can take your hand off of it. Really nice to be able to lock these in. And here we have some spark plugs that I'm gonna put on the GTI. Make sure you guys watch for that video coming soon. I also got a tool from ECS Tuning. This is a spark plug puller. Basically, if you can see in here, it's got the size of the bolt on the outside, and then it's got threads in here so that you can really lock onto it and just pop it sucker out. Next up, we have some cubes. It seems like anytime I need one of these things to charge my phone or charge anything, I don't know where it's at. So keeping these on top right here has definitely been a help, just knowing that I can pop this open, they're gonna be in here. Moving on down here, we have some beautiful wrenches. These are, one set is metric, one set is standard. Again, a must if you're working on anything European, Japanese, anything other than American. These are just Pittsburgh wrenches, good quality. I haven't had any issues with fitment or anything like that. For, I think, less than $20 getting a set of wrenches, really good deal being able to outfit yourself, being able to have the tools to get the small projects done in your garage. These are definitely a must. Good quality, no regrets on these. Haven't gotten into a situation where I said, man, I should have gotten something else. All right, last but not least down here, we have the final drawer. I have some gloves, changing oil, doing stuff on the car. You don't want to get dirty. These are 9 mil thickness, so they're not going to tear. and they repel oil, things like that, brake cleaner, so you're not gonna get your gloves disintegrating while you're working. Hammer, just a ball head hammer. We have a rubber mallet, which a rubber mallet is very important when working on cars. You wanna hit something, but you don't wanna mar it up. Having a nice sturdy rubber mallet is definitely a good idea to have in your toolbox. This is a tuning fork. Just kidding. What do we use this thing for? I think this is a tie rod puller. I'm not really sure, but I just use this to force my way into things. On the S2000, I think that's what we used this, was to pull the tie rods whenever we put the angle kit on it. So the next thing is probably gonna be the most important thing that I think that you guys should have, and it's a set of torque wrenches. This is a 3/8 inch drive, and then I have the 1/2 inch drive. And it is so important to be able to have this if you're torquing your wheels down, if you're putting things back together that need to stay together. Torquing it to the correct spec is very important. I like to keep these things in the box and keep them nice and clean. This one I've pretty much been using to torque down my wheels, but it's a very good quality. This is from Harbor Freight too. I forget how much it was, less than 50 bucks. Being able to know that you are safe and secure and have torqued down your lug nuts or any other bolts that, like I said, things that you don't want to come apart. This is a very good investment and something to have in your toolbox, because there's gonna be a point in time where you come across some instructions and it says torque it down to this, and you wanna make sure you have this in your toolbox. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. Let me know what's in your toolbox. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.